What if everything you have ever been told about making money online is a complete and total lie? Do you know that right now, a silent group of completely anonymous creators are pulling in thousands of dollars a month using a bizarre automated loophole that 99% of the internet doesn't even know exists? Have you ever noticed how the most broke people you know are often the ones working the hardest, grinding 16 hours a day, and sacrificing their mental health for absolute pennies? What if I told you that your relentless work ethic is actually the exact reason your bank account is currently completely stagnant? Do you know that the traditional blueprint of building a business, manually editing video clips, spending hours writing blog posts, or forcing yourself to study complex coding, is now officially a digital death sentence? You are actively walking straight into a brutal trap, trading your finite energy for crumbs, while advanced software programs are rendering your entire daily routine completely obsolete. So, what is the secret? How are ordinary individuals with zero tech experience, zero social media followings, and absolutely no public identity launching highly profitable digital systems in less than a single weekend? In the next 60 seconds, I am going to reveal the exact psychological blind spot that is keeping you trapped on the financial hamster wheel, and I am going to give you the precise mathematical framework to break out of it immediately. If you click away from this video right now, you are making a conscious choice to stay on the slow, exhausting path of manual labor while the rest of the world automates. This is not a theoretical concept, this is not a generic motivational speech, and this is definitely not the repetitive nonsense that fake internet gurus are trying to sell you. This is the exact step-by-step tactical playbook that allows lazy creators to let artificial intelligence handle the brutal heavy lifting while they sleep, eat, and live their lives. To truly understand how the foundational rules of wealth have been completely rewritten, you need to look at the raw data. Right now, faceless automated platforms account for over 38% of all newly monetized digital channels globally. That means nearly 4 out of every 10 highly successful new income streams are completely automated by individuals who have never stepped foot inside a studio or spoken into a physical microphone. The massive divide between the people who look at this data and stay broke, and the small group who build real financial freedom, comes down to one thing: systematic execution. To build a real passive income machine, you must first wipe out everything the fake mainstream business channels have told you. True passive revenue does not mean sitting around doing zero work forever. It means executing a proven system exactly once, establishing a highly optimized digital asset, and letting that asset pay you over and over again for years to come. There are 3 hyper-profitable passive income engines working for absolute beginners right now. Your only job today is to pick one single model, focus your entire attention on it, and do not stop until it is fully operational. Engine number 1 is the highly optimized AI faceless video channel. This is where you produce deeply engaging, high-retention informational videos without ever revealing your true identity. You use advanced language models to instantly research your topics and write premium, viral structured text scripts. You take that raw script and plug it directly into an automated video engine, like Pictory. The software automatically analyzes your text, matches highly relevant, cinematic, non-copyright stock footage to every single line, and builds a professional visual timeline. You layer in a hyper-realistic, human-sounding AI voiceover to read the script, and the platform generates perfectly timed, dynamic captions optimized for mobile viewers. When people watch your videos, ad networks pay you a share of the revenue, and affiliate links placed strategically in your description generate commissions 24 hours a day. Engine number 2 is the automated digital product machine. Instead of dealing with physical inventory, manufacturing delays, or shipping headaches, you use artificial intelligence to design, package, and sell high-value digital files. The highest-selling items on global marketplaces right now are specialized productivity systems, niche business templates, and curated AI prompt packs. Recent market tracking across more than 100,000 digital storefronts reveals that clean, functional templates are generating massive monthly revenue in highly specific niches. You direct an AI to structure the core content, use free design software to format the final asset, and upload it to a digital marketplace. The platform handles the automated fulfillment, delivers the file to the customer instantly upon purchase, and deposits the profits straight into your account while you sleep. Engine number 3 is the automated niche newsletter system. You build a highly targeted email publication using modern newsletter platforms that feature built-in monetization networks. You use advanced language models to draft deeply researched, high-value weekly text updates in under 15 minutes. The platform's native ad network automatically matches your written issues with premium corporate sponsors who want to reach your specific audience. This means you get paid directly just for hitting the publish button, without ever having to pitch a single sponsor yourself. A tightly focused newsletter covering valuable categories like personal finance, real estate, or software tools can easily generate substantial recurring revenue once you cross a few thousand subscribers. To run this entire system flawlessly, you need to assemble the ultimate automated tool stack. The absolute best part of this strategy is that almost every single piece of software required has a completely free tier. This means your upfront financial risk is exactly $0. Your primary research and writing engine is Claude, which excels at advanced long-form text, deep topical analysis, and creating scripts that sound genuinely human rather than robotic. Your brainstorming and validation partner is ChatGPT, which you will use to analyze current market trends, identify gaps in your competition, and outline your content structure. Your absolute secret weapon for video creation is Pictory, which completely eliminates the need for complex manual editing skills. Instead of spending 5 hours cutting clips, adjusting keyframes, and syncing audio tracks, you simply paste your text script into the engine. The AI instantly reads your text, scans millions of non-copyright media assets, and perfectly aligns stunning B-roll footage with your words. It handles all the visual transitions, burns professional subtitles directly into the video, and allows you to integrate human-quality voice narration seamlessly. To round out your stack, you use advanced voice generators for flawless vocal delivery and free graphic design tools to instantly generate high click-through thumbnails. Launching this business does not require months of agonizing preparation. It requires one single weekend of focused execution. If you choose the faceless video model, spend your Saturday selecting a high-value niche with a strong ad payout rate. The most lucrative categories to target are personal finance, software tutorials, modern technology, and health optimization. Use your AI assistant to generate 3 highly optimized scripts targeting trending search terms, where viewers are actively looking for answers. On Sunday morning, copy those exact text scripts and paste them straight into Pictory. Let the software build out the visual sequence, align the non-copyright footage, and sync the audio narration perfectly. Review the automated export, use a free template to create a clean thumbnail, and schedule your very first upload for Sunday evening. By the time Sunday night arrives, you have successfully shifted from a passive media consumer to an active digital asset owner. Once your chosen system is live, the ongoing weekly maintenance takes less than 60 minutes of total effort. For your faceless video channel, you spend 20 minutes on a weekday morning using AI to write a fresh, optimized script based on what is currently trending in your niche market. You take that script, paste it directly into Pictory, and spend 30 minutes letting the artificial intelligence generate the video timeline, match the non-copyright clips, and position the captions. You spend the final 10 minutes reviewing the rendered file, exporting it in high definition, and scheduling it inside your Creator Studio. An essential regulatory update to keep your asset completely protected is managing the synthetic content disclosure requirements. When you upload your finished video, you must check the specific box in the settings menu indicating that your content uses altered or synthetic media. This minor step takes exactly 2 seconds, but it ensures your channel remains 100% compliant with modern platform rules. Properly disclosed AI-assisted videos receive full distribution from the platform algorithms and earn the exact same monetization rates as traditional videos, making transparency a massive competitive advantage. While your older videos remain live on the platform, accumulating views and generating passive ad revenue around the clock, you are only working an hour a week to stack new assets on top of them. Scaling your passive income stream does not mean increasing your hours. It means letting your digital library compound exponentially over time. In the faceless video model, consistency is your ultimate growth multiplier. Maintaining a steady upload schedule accelerates your path toward hitting the platform's formal monetization thresholds. In high-value business, tech, and finance niches, advertising networks pay premium rates per 1,000 views because corporations are competing fiercely to show ads to that specific audience. However, smart automated entrepreneurs do not rely solely on standard ad revenue to build wealth. From the very first day your channel goes live, you embed highly relevant affiliate links inside your video descriptions and pinned comments. Viewers do not care who is behind the camera. They only care about finding a clear solution to the specific problem they are searching for. If your faceless video provides genuine clarity and structure, they will click your links and make purchases, driving instant commissions directly to your dashboard. As your asset library scales over time, you can seamlessly connect your video traffic straight to your own AI-generated digital templates or your automated newsletter. This creates a highly lucrative, closed-loop, passive income ecosystem where every single digital asset you own continuously feeds traffic and revenue into the others. At the end of the day, a successful, lazy entrepreneur is not someone who avoids work entirely. They are someone who absolutely refuses to engage in inefficient, low-leverage manual labor. They use cutting-edge artificial intelligence to multiply their creative output, build automated workflows, and construct durable digital assets that generate revenue while they live their life. The barrier to entry to build this type of automated leverage has never been lower, but this massive competitive window will not stay wide open forever. The individuals who take decisive action right now are the ones who will be collecting consistent passive checks 6 months down the road. The people who hesitate, overthink, and make excuses will still be stuck exactly where they are today, watching others succeed. Your entire execution blueprint is laid out right here in front of you. Pick your core model, set up your free automated tool stack, and use this upcoming weekend to launch your very first digital asset using Pictory. If this step-by-step breakdown gave you the exact strategic clarity you needed to start, make sure to hit the like button right now to help this system reach more future asset owners. Drop a comment below telling me the exact niche or category you are planning to target, and I will personally reply to help you map out your absolute first action step. Subscribe to the channel immediately because every single week we break down the most profitable, up-to-date, and actionable AI strategies that are working in the real world. Thank you for watching all the way through, and I will see you in the very next video.